Hi guys, welcome to Easy Learning. Dialogue between two friends on the choice of career. Let's go. Sujan, hello Jamie, how are you? Jamie, fine, thank you. And how about you? Sujan, I am also fine. Jamie, we are in intermediate class, so we must choose our career now. Jamie, you are quite right. Success in life depended on the right choice of career. Sujan, we must choose our career properly. May I know your choice of career? Jamie, yes, of course. I have decided to become a doctor. Do you like this profession? Sujan, yes, I do. It is a good profession. Could you tell me why you have chosen this profession? Jamie, most of our people are deprived of the service of the doctors. Sujan, yes, there are shortage of good doctors in our country. The people who live in the village cannot consult a good doctor. Jamie, I want to serve the people. Sujan, are you willing to go to the village if necessary? Jamie, yes, of course. Through this profession, I will be able to earn money honestly. Well, could you tell me about your choice of career? Sujan, of course. I want to be an agriculture officer. Jamie, most students like to be doctor, engineer or administrator. Why not you? Sujan, our country is an agricultural country. Our economy depends on agriculture. Jamie, yes, it is right. Please tell me about your plan. Sujan, I will get myself admitted into an agricultural university. After completing my education, I will join the service of agricultural cadre. I will make research on agriculture. Jamie, it's noble profession too. Sujan, I will teach the farmers about the modern method of cultivation. Jamie, I appreciate your plan. Sujan, choosing career is not enough. We must work hard to fulfill our plan. Jamie, of course, we must do well in HSC examination. Otherwise, we will not be able to become a doctor or an agriculture officer. Sujan, of course. Thank you, Jamie. It was really nice speaking to you. Jamie, you are welcome. Goodbye. See you again. Sujan, bye.